Can you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Shagarasam Shomon. Everyone call me Shagar. If you feel comfortable, you can call me Shagar.
Well, Mr. Shagor, what class are you in?
I have a complete HSC and right now I'm studying for my IELTS.
Do you like sport?
Yes, I like sports. Basically, I like football and I this is my favorite sports.
Well, do you have a favorite footballer?
Yes, I have a favorite footballer. His name is Messi.
Messi.
Yeah.
Well, what time do you usually play sports?
Uh, it's depend whenever I free. This time I play football.
With whom do you like to play sports?
Basically, I like football with my friends and my cousins and others.
Do you think that children should be inspired to play sports at school?
Obviously, because every children should be play football, cricket, basketball, and another sports. Because their mind will be fresh and they will be refreshed. If they play football, there will be increase their heights and other things.
Did you play any sport when you were a child?
Yes, whenever I was a child, I played football with my friends, and I liked football. And I have played lot of tournament in my childhood.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. I like basically sports books types and drama types books and others.
Well, do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I have a favorite book. This name is Little Messi.
How often do you usually buy books?
It's depend whenever I need to book.
Do you often go to the book fair?
Yes, I go to the book fair most of the time whenever our country has a book fair market or Ekushe Boy Mela. That time I go to book fair.
What's your hobby?
My favorite is play football. Whenever I get free time, at that time I play football. And I have a lot of hobbies, but one of them, my favorite hobby is play football. So, for example, whenever I get free time, I play football, go to outside, have fun with friends, go to the gym and do exercise. But
Well,
one
Mr.
of them, my
Shakur,
most favorite sports hobby is play football.
what do you usually do when you get angry?
When I am get angry, that time my one thing I go to the gym. Then I play with dumbbell because
Oh, that's great.
I can build a new record. Whenever I feel depressed, as well as I go to the gym and I feel myself as a strong man.
And what do you do when you are happy?
Whenever I'm happy, I go to outside, have fun with friends, spend with my family, time with my family and members, and with chat with my another person.
Well, do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures because whenever I go to the new place and new informations, but or new rooftop or another place, that time I take a lot of photos.
Do you prefer taking tea or coffee?
Uh, Basically, I don't take any two things, but I prefer for myself tea.
What do you usually do when you travel somewhere?
First of all, I go to there, then I refresh after going to there, then I take my dinner or breakfast or another things that I take a lot of photos, enjoy the place and have fun with friends, and as well as I do a lot of activities.
Some people tend to think that traveling is a waste of money and time. Well, what's your opinion about it?
I think I'm not agree with that statement because if you travel with a new place, you learn a lot of things. You want to know about the people, foods, and other things, and you have a lot. You can achieve a lot of things from that, and your mind will be refreshed, and as well as you learn a lot of things from that.
Well, where would you like to travel in future?
I want to travel like Australia. You know that this place is the most outstanding and blissful country in the world, and lot of in our country famous people there want to travel there, and as well as I want to travel there for many because there has a lot of beautiful place in here.
Have you ever fallen in love?
Yes, sir.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
I highly appreciate your honesty. You like to speak the truth. Well, sounds good. Do you prefer love marriage or arranged marriage?
Oh, I prefer both sides because it depends. For myself, I prefer love marriage because if I do love marriage, then I want to know about my wife, fiance, and I know about her a lot of things.
What would you like to do in the next 5 years?
Oh, okay. I want to be a billionaire, sir. I told you about before 10 days. I told you about that. I want to be a billionaire, and not today or not tomorrow. One day I will be a billionaire, inshallah. After 5 years, I want to be a billionaire.
Well, may Allah fulfill your dreams. This is the end of your speaking practice test. I hope that this speaking practice test will help you boost up your confidence. Well, thank you very much and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.